Okay, can you see my screen, guys? Okay, can someone confirm? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Hey, thank you for confirmation. First thing, did you subscribe for Azure free trial, guys?
Yes.
Okay, no issues, right? Yeah, anyone has any queries about subscribing for Azure free trial? Yeah, next. Now, have a look. After subscribing for Azure free trial, just go to portal.azure.com. Okay, portal.azure.com. Signing with your account details. Okay, yeah. Navigate to portal.azure.com. Okay, yeah. Next, another thing is, yesterday we have created one virtual mission. Am I right? So we have created one virtual mission with which operating system? A Windows Server 2022. Am I right? Now, you people tell me to access this virtual machine from our local laptop or desktop, we have to use one protocol. What was that? One is RTP. What is the port number for RTP? Come on. What is the port number? 3389. Okay, 3389. Okay, yeah. Next, once you have deployed one application, that should be accessible from outside of the world, right? So to access the application from outside of the world, so we have to use one protocol called HTTP. Do you know what is the port number for HTTP? Anyone? Come on, 80. Okay, what is the port number for HTTPS protocol? Anyone? What is the port number for HTTPS protocol? Yeah, 443. Correct. What is that? 443. Okay, so in last session, we have deployed one application. Okay, this is the application. This is the virtual machine. Okay, just navigate to VM. Click on this VM. We have provided the name called web-VM1. Okay, so now this we will call it as dashboard. What is that? This we will call it as dashboard. Okay, yeah. Next, now minimize it. Here we have what? Dashboard information. I can say resource group, status of the VM, location, subscription details, operating system, and the size of VM. This is the public IP. Virtual network and DNS name has not been configured. Okay, what time did I create, guys, this VM? Yesterday, 3 hours, 18 minutes, AM UTC time zone. By default, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, by default time zone is UTC. Keep it in our mind. It is in UTC. Okay, so best example, you have deployed one application on UTC time zone. If you are getting any issues, then troubleshooting the logs and all, sometimes people will forget about the time zone and they will verify based on IST time zone. So actually it is very difficult to identify root cause of the issue. So always first we have to verify whether server is in which time zone. According to that, we have to go on download the logs, verify as per UTC time zone, not per Indian time zone. Okay, that is the basic funda. Right now, my VM is in stopped status. Why? Because yesterday we have enabled one feature called auto shutdown feature. What is that? Auto shutdown feature. Okay, due to that feature, my virtual machine got shut down at midnight 12 o'clock. Now we have to go and start the VM. Okay, VM has been started. Now just click on public IP, MSTS, paste it. Connect. Okay, yeah, choice. Pass the username. Do you know what is the credentials we have passed? What are the credentials did we pass while provisioning the virtual machine? Username I have passed. What is that? Cloud admin. Password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. I am repeating. How can you connect this virtual machine? Copy this IP, public IP. Now go to start. Type remote desktop from your keyboard. Okay, from your machine, type remote keyboard, a remote desktop connection. Just click on it. Paste the IP address. What is that IP? 172.171.200.8. Okay, just click on connect. Okay, so more choice. Choose credentials. I am choosing cloud admin. What is the username? Cloud admin. Password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. I am repeating. This is the cloud admin is the username. Password is what? SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay, just click on connect. Yes, connect it. Okay, yeah, next. Now, this is the virtual machine. As it is public IP, you people also can access this VM, guys. I am pinging in the chat. Try it out. So that is the IP address, username, cloud admin, password, SharePoint at the rate of 123. Okay, clear. Test it out if you want. Why? Because this is the public IP. Public IP in the sense the users will able to communicate this virtual machine from anywhere in the world. Okay, as I said, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, they are public, right? Yeah. Now, this is the virtual machine. Now, I would like to install and configure the IaaS web server. Okay, what is that? IaaS web server. Okay, so what is the IaaS web server? It's a software and used to deploy ASP.NET application. It is used to deploy ASP.NET application. Okay, ASP.NET means that is a Microsoft product. Okay, so we can host ASP.NET application on top of IaaS web server. If we want to deploy Java application, what is that? Java application. Then you have to use Apache Tomcat, okay, WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss, Nginx. Like we have a number of sources we can use to deploy Java application. Okay, so to deploy ASP.NET application, we have to install and configure the IaaS web server. The full form of the IaaS is Internet Information Services. Okay, the full form of the IaaS is what? Internet Information Services, and it is used to host any ASP.NET application. Okay, right now have a look. I am going to enable IaaS. How to enable IaaS? Open Server Explorer. There is a server manager. Click on it. So this is the server manager. Add roles and features. Just click on add. Next, next, next. Here we have an option called what? Web Server IaaS. If we read it out, Web Server IaaS provides reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Okay, click on next, next, next. These are the components of IaaS. These are the components of IaaS. Now select all these components. We have security and application deployment, FTP server, okay, and management tools. And these are the submodules of IaaS web server. Okay, so these are the submodules of IaaS web server. Common HTTP feature, health and diagnostics, performance, security, application deployment. These are submodule of IaaS. Each and every module is required to host one application. Why? Because security should be import. Okay, authentication should be import. Next, compatibility should be import. So these are the modules, or we can say add-ins, that is mandatory to host ASP.NET application. After enable all these features, click on next, install it. See, installation is in progress. Okay, installation is in progress.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Why we are installing this and what's the purpose of this IQ server?
To deploy .NET application. Actually, to deploy any Java application, Apache Tomcat server mandatory, right? It's a open source.
So
Same
do
way
we,
here, we are setting up an environment to deploy web-based application. For example, see tcs.com is there. Okay, how I am able to access this one? Because this application has been deployed on IIS web server. Got it? So to deploy my custom application, I am installing IIS web server, that is the software on top of virtual machine. Clear, guys? Sing.
yep, all good.
Yeah. Okay, see, installation is succeeded. We go and verify installation is succeeded on web-vm1. Now close this window, close. After installing this IIS web server, try to restart the VM. Go to start. Here we have an option restart. Restart the VM. Yes. Okay, it will take 2 minutes to reboot the virtual machine. Okay, copy this IP. Again, start a remote desktop. What is that? Remote desktop. Place it. Connect. Okay, cloud admin password SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes, connect. Okay, yes. See guys, this is the virtual machine. Okay, so to open IIS web server, right click, run inet mgr, inet manager. See guys, this is the server. Okay, I'm repeating. After you have installed IIS web server, how we can access? Go to run command, just type inet mgr. Not only that, go to command prompt, just type inet mgr, internet manager. Go to PowerShell, inet mgr. See, it should open. Okay, fine. Command prompt, it is not taking. Go to run command, just type inet mgr. Okay, this is the IIS web server. Now, expand it. So this is the server. These are the sites. At this moment, we have one site called default website. Okay, just right click on default website, explore it. See guys, this is the inbuilt 2 pages that you will get. Just remove them. I don't want default pages. So this is the default path of IIS. Note it down. It is very important entry question. What is the default path of IIS? inet pub www root. Please note it down. In the interviews, they will ask you, what is the default path of IIS? Okay, default path of IIS is inet pub www root. Inet pub www root. Okay, yeah, fine. Now I am going to deploy my custom application. I'm going to develop one sample HTML file. I'm going to develop one sample HTML file. Let's see. Go to start, notepad. Okay, HTML, close HTML. Okay, next body, bg color equal to L. Okay, body. body PG color yellow. Next here H1. Welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. What is that, guys? H1. Welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, clear? Yeah, next. Save this file. Save this file. Okay, so I'm going to save it in desktop, in my local machine, in my local. Don't get confusion. My local machine. What is the file name? Index.html. Okay, save it. Close this window. Go to home page. Okay, right click, export it. See, so this is what? Index.html. Okay, what is that? Index.html. Sorry, accidentally I have deleted. Sorry, yeah. Okay, this is the index.html. Copy this page, only single line page. Look at my screen. Copy this page. Go to the server. Paste it in this location. Which location? inet pub www root. This is the path where we can deploy ASP.NET application. Okay, now navigate to your Azure portal. Copy this IP. Okay, paste it here. Hit enter. See, the page should be accessible. See guys, welcome to Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing. I am pinging in the chat. You can also try it out. And let me know if you are able to access or not. Are able to access?
So,
Saying,
can you correct me if I'm wrong? So, this website is hosted onto that server, right? And
yes.
as long as that server will be up, this website will be up.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Are able to access from your local machine? Can someone confirm?
Yeah, it works for me.
Yeah, it's working fine, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's working, yeah.
Yeah, okay, great. Now I will modify some changes in the code. Okay, so this is the index.html. Right click, open a notepad. See guys, here yellow, right? I am giving orange. Orange. Okay, save it. Okay, yeah. Now refresh one time. See guys, background color has been changed. Even I am going to change some settings. Okay, so another line of code I am adding. So what is that? Welcome to Azure DevOps. Welcome to Azure DevOps. Okay, now close, save it. Now refresh one time. See guys, welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. Welcome to Azure DevOps. Nice, right? Guys. So, no. Okay. Yeah, so I had one real application. I will go and deploy it. See, go to it, right? Okay, yeah, here we have web applications. So this is the real application, school app. Okay, so you know, right, the application which contain n number of files. Okay, like CSS, images, index.files, jQuery, JavaScript, and different variety files are there. Okay, so all together merged, then that will become as an application. See, here I have CSS, fonts, images, JavaScript files. Okay, now what I will do now, I will copy this application. Just highlight, right click, and copy. Go to your virtual machine. Go, yeah, existing application, delete it. I mean, this is the one page we have deleted. If I go and access the application, you will get an error. See, what is that error? 403 forbidden error, access denied. Now what I will do now, right click and paste it. See, application deploying on top of IIS web server. Okay, yeah, see, this is the application. Now refresh one time. See guys, this is the overview of application. Okay, I am pinging in the chart. See, so this is the home, about, okay, where we are, what we do, how it will work, courses, contact, functional email. So this is the real application, how we can host on top of IIS web server. Okay, so I am pinging in the chart. You can also try it out and let me know if you are facing any issues.
So it's more of a kind of a hosting service, you can say.
Yeah, IIS web server is hosting the application, right? So where did I deploy that IIS? Where did I deploy the IIS server? On top of web server. Okay, that web server we deployed on Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, very simple.
Okay.
See, this is the virtual machine that I have deployed in Azure Cloud. Am I right? Yes or no? Here I have installed IIS web server. That is the software. On top of it, I deployed what? One application. The application, it is accessible from outside of the world. Okay, I have accessed http:// IP address like 10.10.1.2 like this. Got it? Now, if you observe, copy this IP, open Notepad, paste it. Have you observed? Here it is showing what? HTTP protocol. Do you know on top of which port number the application is running? Which port number the application is running? 80. Okay, this is 80. That is the standard. Okay, that's why here you can go and verify IAS application is running on top of 80 port number. Nice, right? Are you able to access this application? Can someone confirm?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, you are able to access, right? Okay, guys. Okay, yeah, great. Now I am going to change the domain name. See, this is the IP address. We cannot access with the domain name. Okay, always you have to mention IP address. So generally clients won't accept this kind of deployment. What should we do? We should replace this IP address with some user convenient name or user friendly name like tcs.com, wipro.com, cognizant.com, like that. Okay, can I change the domain name? I should access the URL instead of IP address. I should access with some user friendly name. Can I change the domain name? Yes, we can change the domain name. Go to Azure portal. There is a one option called, what is that? DNS name not configured. Now click on DNS name. Click on DNS name. Okay, here I am giving TCS. The label name I am giving TCS. TCS already taken by someone. I am giving TCS 2025. Okay, see, domain name dot eastus dot cloudapp.azure.com. Okay, just save it. Just save. Okay, yeah, it has been saved. Now close it. Refresh one time. See, this is the URL. Now copy and paste it. Now I can access my application with custom domain name tcs2025.eastus.cloudapp.azure. See guys, it's nice. Clear? Got it, guys? Okay, if you want change these settings, see, this is the grade school. Okay, these are the application enhancements that you can change. Okay, so simply we can say go to your coding part, right click and explore it. Here we have index.html. Now open it in Notepad. Okay, it's a grade school, right? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, I can say ADR something. Okay, ADR. School name is IT Hub. Okay, IT Hub. Okay, yeah, now you can save it. Close. Go and refresh one time. See area IT Hub. Clear, nice. Okay, I'm pinging in the chat. You can also access. Let me know if you are facing any issues. Are you able to access, guys? Sudhakar, uh, Abdul, Kishore. Yeah. Are you able to access? Can someone confirm?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, you are able to access, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So this is how we can deploy one application in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. How we can deploy one application on top of Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. Yeah. So for practice it, next session I will show you how to deploy one Linux machine. On top of it, how we can host one Java application. Okay, that we will see in next session. So tomorrow we'll discuss about basics of Linux, and I will show you how to provision one virtual machine with Linux operating system. Then I will show you how to install and configure the Apache Tomcat server. Next, we will see about what? How to host one application on top of Linux virtual machine. Okay. So later we will go on verify about troubleshooting. Okay. How we can create the storage. That all we will discuss going forward. Okay. Next, we will discuss about some of the services which are related to AI. Okay. Yeah. If you had any questions, feel free and ask me.
I
Any
think I have
questions?
one. Yep.
Yeah.
So if I'll talk about the developer part, right? Like the Azure developer. So it depends on us, like what kind of programming language we
No,
use.
developing part that will be taken care by developers. Here, just I shown you how we can changes in the code. That's it. So this is pure administration with a DevOps engineer, right? So you need not worry about programming languages. Why? Because the application should be developed by developers in the team. That they will take care about it. Our part is take that application code where they are maintaining and deploy into on top of IaaS.
No, I'm talking about the whole course here.
Yeah.
So the whole course is like it revolves around the administrative roles and responsibilities, right?
Yes, correct. Administration roles and responsibilities and the DevOps engineer as well. See.
For the Azure DevOps engineer.
Yes, Azure DevOps. Correct.
So is there any sort of like training for the developer as well or no?
Developers that you can check with the institute people, institute management
Oh,
team,
okay.
so they
Okay.
will help you out. Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
For sure. Thank you.
Do you have any questions, Harinder?
No, that'll be it.
Yes. Kishore, Abdul.
Uh, yeah, Shekhar, actually, I have not attended last two sessions. Actually, to grab this session means I need the last two sessions also. I think I need to check with admin team, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You can check with admin team. They will share the last two recordings. You can go through it. Yeah.
And one more thing, if I miss any session in the middle of this duration means,
Mhm.
I think admin people is going to give a recording session, right? Why means if I take any leaves, otherwise I missed any class means.
Yes, 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 yes. You can rejoin other sessions, or else you can go through recordings. If you are facing any issues while you are practicing, you can reach out to me directly. I will help you to make understand.
No, why I'm asking is actually recording sessions, they are charging some other amount, right? If I miss in the middle of sessions means I can, I'm able to access that sessions also, right? Only that sessions means they are not able to charge, I think so.
No, you can access previous sessions as well. Actually, they will maintain all recording files in Google Drive link. You can from there you can watch anything.
Oh, okay, Shikhar. Actually, today is the first session, right? I understood, but I
Okay.
need to check with the previous session and I need to work on it. And one more thing, if I need to register this Azure cloud means this is the only 1 month accessible, right?
No. Yeah, Azure free trial account 1 month. Later you have to create another account of the correct.
In same name, I need to use some other credit card or debit card. It will work?
Yes. You can use any debit and credit cards. You have to change the mobile number and email address. So we can create n number of accounts.
Name is same, right? It's not an issue, right?
Yeah, that's not a problem. Name is same.
And we need to use only Mastercard and Visa cards
Visa
only. I
card.
think so.
Yes.
Oh, okay, Shekhar. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have any questions, Kishore, Sudhakar?
They're charging money, right, for a free account, 2 rupees of charge.
Sorry?
They are charging money for a free account, right? 2 rupees.
Yeah. That amount will be credited back to your account, guys.
No, it isn't. I did not get it actually.
There would be some issue. Check with bank or I said check with the Microsoft people, right?
No, I did not get it.
In front of you, I subscribe for Azure Free Trial. I got the 2 rupees amount.
I don't know the reason.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Actually, they won't
So
debit even single paisa. I am giving the surety on it. Okay. Why? Because I am working as an architect. Okay. Since 10 years. Okay. I am giving you assurance on it. Okay. We created many things. Many students have created. They got that amount 2 rupees back into their accounts.
I'm based here in the US, so it'll be different for me if I'll activate an account or
Yeah, Haridhar. If it is US account, no problem. You will be debited $1. That amount will be credited back to your account.
okay, yeah, I was because reading this that I'll get like 200 in the
Yeah, you will
Azure
get
credit.
$200. Yes, correct. You will get you in USA people, they will get $200. Indian people, 16,700 IST. Okay, so both the
Okay,
accounts validation duration is 30 days, guys. After 30 days, you have to subscribe for another account.
okay.
Any queries, Sudhakar? Do you have any more queries, Kishore?
I think we are good to
Yeah.
end
Okay.
this call.
Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect
Yep,
back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
sure. Thank you, ma'am.